last question I have for you today. What advice would you give to someone considering building a Sonex or YX or any of your products?
Just do it.
Yes.
Stop thinking about it. Stop talking about it, and get started.
Ah, I love it.
Life is too short.
Well, Mark, I really appreciate you coming on today. And anytime you want to stop by again, please feel free. Any announcements, anything you want to do, we'll talk about whatever. I'd love to have you again.
Yeah, absolutely. Make sure you're on our press release mailing list if you're not already. We have those RSS feeds that feed directly into MailChimp mailing lists. So, and for anyone who's interested in just staying up to date on new projects, whether it be the two-place jet or the high wing or anything else, you can just go to our news feeds and RSS feeds page on our website and sign up. And there are actually check boxes, so you can check your interest area, and we'll only send you an email when we're distributing something that fits within your interest area. We tried really hard not to spam people, and we do honor unsubscribes. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you have any interest at all. And that includes the media. We do have a list, a feed that's directly just for press releases.
Cool. Yeah, no, and I'll definitely have some links available below to all the different ways you can reach out to Sonex Aircraft.
All right. Sounds
good. Thanks, Mark.
Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate you spending the time to get to know me and Sonex better, and I'm sure we'll be talking more in the future.
Absolutely, absolutely.
A lot of exciting things coming up that I can't talk about yet.
Oh, now, all right.
There's even more on the way. Just a matter of when.
Now, what are we gonna get?
Well, I don't know. There's some things that are related to new designs that are way far in the future that I probably won't talk about for a year or more. And just other cool things happening with the companies.